So today I'm doing a review on the Nopeet or Nopeet sunglasses. When I first saw a pair of this brand sunglasses, I instantly fell in love. Like, I just loved everything about it. And if you're here watching the video, then you probably know what this brand is all about and their style and their swagger and all that. So yeah, this is the box that it came in. Nice brown regular box with their logo on it on the front and on the back. And we got some cool little things here. I see some people getting laid. I see a military tank and I guess the sun ray blocker vision thingy. Yeah, so let's open this up. And we got a cute handwritten looking note once you open it. So here it is. Let me read it to you. It says, "Dear motherfucker, yes, Nisha, we're talking to you. Everybody wants results. You have just received a pair of Nopeet or Nopeet shades, and you are on the right path now. Results will follow. Best regards, Nopeet founders or Nopeet founders, K and W. Feel free to contact us. No death threats, please." And then they have their emails down below. So this is a cute little note. It looks like it's handwritten, but I know it's not. But it's still cute. Okay, so let's get into it. What is this? Fucking important. So I guess this is like some little notes that you need to read about the sunglasses. I think that's how to work the adjusters or something like that. The customizable little pieces on it. So yeah, this is like a little pamphlet that's fucking important about how to rearrange whatever. Yeah. Let's see what else we got here. So we got the type of shades on the front of the box. I like that little futuristic design they got going on there. That's one thing that I really love about this brand. They're definitely pushing towards the future, you know, future forward. And I like their style, you know, how they call their customers motherfuckers. Like, they really talk to the customer, you know. It's not like one of those generic big brands where they just use big words all day. Like, and they're so professional, you know. This brand gives more of a comfortable feel, like they're your homies, you know. But anyway, let's get into it. Oh yeah, they're from Finland. I thought that was really cool as well because they're from Finland. This is my first time really ordering from a brand that's, you know, not in the United States of America. That really drew me in because, like, I fucking love them as soon as I saw them. So here are these badass motherfucking shades that I've been waiting on, and they only came in like 3 days. I ordered them on Sunday and today's a Wednesday and they're already here from Finland. So that's fucking awesome. Yo, I'm in love already, yo. Look at this. It's fucking crazy. Look at the design. It's so future forward. I love it. I can't wait to stand the fuck out, bro. Look at this. Let me put these on. See, I know I look beat up right now. I ain't got no lashes on. My hair raggedy. But this is the perfect shades for me to put on when I look beat the fuck up. Let me put them on right quick. Oh, hell yeah. Oh my god. Wait. I think I need to readjust something. Uh-oh. Okay, this is what I need the pamphlet for because... How the fuck? Oh, and they got a cute little message. They have a cute little message inside the box too. It says, "Trying to be something others want you to be is living the life of others. By choosing a pair of brand new Nopeet shades or Nopeet, you demonstrated your low level of interest in being just another brick on the wall. You're not just making a statement and supporting the production of a high quality product, you're also saving a Finn from freezing to death. You're also probably feeding his family too." See, that's amazing. I like that. I really, really like that. You can get into the deep business aspects of, you know, connecting with the customers, but this is not the right video for it. But I really love that little note in there. And these definitely are, you know, something different that makes you stand out, you know, different way to express yourself. By choosing a pair of these shades, you demonstrated your low level of interest in being just another brick in the wall. And that's completely true. So let me put these on. Take this sticker off. So, here it is. A pair of Nopeet or Nopeet, excuse me, or Nopeet sunglasses. How do I look? Like a model? So yeah, this is my review of the Nopeet sunglasses. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention something very important. This shade right here is called the Taxfraud from the Darkside, baby. Thanks for watching.